You know that feeling when you've been searching for the missing piece and suddenly it all clicks? That's exactly what happened when I read this article about magnesium. Here's the deal. Magnesium is the unsung hero our bodies desperately need, quietly powering literally everything we do. But most of us are running on empty, and that's like trying to drive a car with no gas. You're not going to get very far. Here's what magnesium does. Helps you sleep like a baby after a long day. Keeps your heart beating strong, day in and day out. Calms your nerves when life's throwing you curveballs. Supercharges your energy levels so you can crush your day. Strengthens your muscles and bones, making you unshakable. But two things stood out to me in this article. First, everybody needs magnesium. Seriously, if you've got a pulse, you need this stuff. And second, not all magnesium supplements are created equal. Most of what's out there is like a cheap knockoff. It looks good on the outside, but doesn't deliver the goods. That's why I'm so pumped about our Ultra Magnesium Complex. It's packed with the highest quality, bioavailable forms of magnesium that your body can actually use. And the best part? It's only $8.95 for a full month's supply. That's less than a couple of lattes, but the impact it'll have on your health? Priceless. Backed with a full 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee, you can try it risk-free. If you don't feel the difference, we'll give you every penny back, no questions asked. Visit www.livegood.com/Gracare today. Give your body the support it needs.